Hey, it's Patrick. As some of you know, I usually use the program Rough Animator on my Mac. But recently I picked up my iPad to do some animation in Rough Animator, and I noticed a message from Jacob, the creator of Rough Animator. And I just want to talk about that really quick because he's going to be running a Kickstarter for an animation that he's been working on for about the last 3 years. So let me show you what it looks like here. This advertisement here, and let me just read it here. It's Beverly Bunny and the Misdirected Mystery. So I'll just go ahead and read this to you. Hi, Rough Animator developer Jacob here. Again, I'm not Jacob. I've been animating a feature-length film by myself in Rough Animator for the past 3 years, and I'm about halfway through, and I'm gearing up to run a Kickstarter campaign so that I can hopefully hire people to help finish the animation. So stay tuned for more info. And he goes on to say that if you can subscribe to his Kickstarter campaign before the launch, you know, that helps the algorithm and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and head over there and sign up to be notified when the Kickstarter launches. And if you want to support an independent animator and the guy who created Rough Animator, then I'll show you how to head over to Kickstarter right now. And hopefully we can push some people over to his campaign so he can get his animated film finished. So let's head over. So what we're looking at right now is a screenshot from my iPad. And you'll see that when you want to create a new project down here, this is right above that, you get this ad. And the reason I'm bringing this up is if you only use Rough Animator on your Mac or PC possibly, this is what the screen looks like. And you can open or select a new project, but you're not going to see that advertisement for this. So I kind of want to just let people know that this is out there. So if you want to go support his Kickstarter, let's go ahead and look at the URL that we would go to make that happen. Okay, so if we were to click on that ad on our iPad, this is the page that launches. And if you want to type it in yourself, here it is. It's at kickstarter.com projects/weirdhat/Beverly-Bunny. And if you go there, it'll bring this up, and you can see that it's coming soon. And you can see here the creator is Jacob Kafka. And again, I'm not affiliated with this. And the name of the project is Beverly Bunny and the Misdirected Mystery. So we can just hit notify me on launch here, hit this button. And that's all we would need to do right now until this project launches. So if you want to see a bit of this animation, we can head over to roughanimator.com. And you'll see at the bottom of roughanimator.com is this YouTube video here. And this is the first 10 minutes of the 70-minute movie. So I would tell you to go ahead and watch this also and see if this is something you want to support. But I think if you're a Rough Animator fan like I am, you're going to want to support this. So head on over and sign up for his pre-launch. And, you know, I don't want to play too much of this video because it's not mine, but this is what you should watch if you want to support this project. So head on over to Jacob's Kickstarter and show him some support. So until next time, this has been Patrick. Thanks for joining me, and keep on animating. If you found this useful, click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Click this video for more animation tips. Leave any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep on animating.